poured our concrete pad this morning. And even though it's not hot rod related content, I figured I'd film it for you guys and let you see how it went. So let's get into it.
live with it. I have been. But it comes and goes, and sometimes it'll go for a couple of 3 years.
Anyway, that's going to do it for the concrete bit. Got the pad in, it's scraped and nice and smooth, and now it's just going to set up and cure. I'm going to give it about 5 days before I try to do anything with it. But also been working on getting this second motor mount done. Plan on getting that in, getting the motor set, finish up the rear K-member, trans cross member. I've been way behind. And then I'm planning on modifying that 35 Chevy, I believe it's a deluxe grill. I'm going to take a 32 shell and I'm going to just not make it match a 32 shell, but I'm going to make it match in height and width. So it'll still be a Chevy shell and it'll look really cool. And I'm going to put that on here. But the Chevy shell, that is just, 35's a different size car. It's a lot bigger. So that's too tall and it might be too wide. I'm not sure yet. I got to cut that stuff off where the fenders would have mounted and just kind of make it come up and over. So it's going to be a little bit of work to make that fit, but I think it's going to look really good on this Roadster. And I just don't really want to put a repop 32 shell on, and the original 32 shell is for the other Roadster. So I think this is what's going to get used. You can tell it's just a little too tall. It needs to come up to about there, and then it needs to be notched. And I'll repair that crack and keep that shape. I'll make my own insert for it. Yeah, we're chugging along again. I am concrete's in, and I'm getting back to work on this thing. But I appreciate you guys watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.